Hello everyone and welcome once again to the channel. Today I'm simply going to be reacting to QX broker and magic trader signals. One of the video I made about magic trader signals, and I tried to just show you my take on the signals, and I'm going to react to the video. So if you have not watched, I'm going to try to give my honest review on qxbroker.com. Out. So if you've not watched the video, this is the video. I talked about QX broker. I talked about magic trader. QX broker is the recommended broker by magic trader. So I discussed that, and I shared so many things with you in this video, and a lot of you found it helpful. You can see the comments. One says, "You saved my investment and my pride. Thank you so much." Thank you so much. I'm glad it helped. I'm glad you found this helpful. I really appreciate this update. I almost made a deposit yesterday, but the network was very bad when trying to deposit. Again, another person is saying this. I'm not going to say it's a definite scam till I actually try this, but I've seen something similar of a scam. Yes, okay, so a lot of people, commented stuff like this, that they've seen a similar scam. And personally, I've also seen a similar scam. There is a comment that got me really thinking about making this video, and I would address it in this video as well. So someone says, City Spectre says, can you do expert option or any broker you think is genuine, to see what a genuine broker should look and act like? Okay, yeah. So this is why I'm making this video, really, to just show you what a genuine broker should look like. First, I'll show you different brokers, and of course I've used these brokers and they are great, so make your choice. And this video is not like any form of advice or something for you to go with a particular broker. Make sure you do your findings, make sure you do your research before you choose any broker, please. If you don't research and you fall into the wrong broker, you get scammed, then don't come for this video, okay? So again, my advice is make sure you do your research before choosing any broker. But I would introduce you to some brokers, and let's see how which one you decide to choose at the end of the day. So again, let's look at more of the comments. Someone says, make more videos on earn money. Okay, I should make more videos on maybe how to make money online or something like that. Yeah, so if you want me to make more videos about how to make money online, you can drop a comment and I'll start to compile some videos for you, to show you how to make money online and whatnot. So drop a comment if you know you want videos like that. Again, with Forex trading, the best way to go with Forex trading really is to learn. Okay, so learn Forex trading, and I'll start to put out some videos, learn the basics, learn technical analysis, learn chart patterns, learn how to read candlestick patterns and all those things. So when you learn technical analysis, then you should learn proper risk management. That's what Forex is all about. Most times the reason why we lose money in Forex trading is because it's due to the lack inadequate risk management, or lack of risk management strategy in place. So if you have a good risk management strategy and you understand the fundamentals and technical analysis, you are good to go. In 6 months or thereabout, you can become a profitable Forex trader. Okay, so that's my advice when it comes to Forex. If you want me to start a Forex tutorial or something, you can also drop a comment. When you drop a comment like this, I know what to put out for you guys. Okay, so again, more comments you can see. So I addressed a lot of things. Okay, thanks brother for bringing out these scammers. I joined and tried to use their signals, and I would lose, yet in the Telegram it will post a win. Okay, so look at what this person is saying. This person says he joined and he tried to use the signals, he would lose and they will post a win. You understand? So again, if I keep scrolling down, you see a lot of comments, and I've addressed all these things. I always say it, please, Forex trading is a risky investment, has high risk. Okay, so if you're going into Forex trading, the first thing to note is that you don't go into Forex trading with let's say capital you want to use for a particular purpose. Let's say you want to pay your house rent and then you use your house rent money to do Forex trading, or you want to pay your school fee, or you have a family to feed and then you take the family money and put in Forex trading. If you do that, what will happen is you will not be able to trade in the right mindset. And if you are unable to trade in the right mindset, you will ultimately lose money. Okay, so you want to use you want to use only what you can afford to lose. I repeat, use only what you can afford to lose. Invest only what you can afford to lose. That's the third time. Okay, so that's my advice when it comes to Forex trading. Now, the main essence of this video is to really answer the question of what broker should you use. So today I will show you a few brokers. I've used most of them, so I'll show you today so you can make your choice. And why am I referring this broker? I'm not really referring, I'm just trying to show you what a good broker should look like. Okay, number one, before you choose a broker, you want to make sure that the broker is properly regulated by the correct authorities. Okay, you want to be sure that it's not just some 2-3 persons coming together to start a brokerage firm and it's not regulated. They just register a company. Registering a company is different from, a brokerage regulation. Okay, so you want to make sure the broker you are using is properly regulated. Okay, that's number one. Number two, how long have the broker been in the market? How long? Because now the brokers that have stayed, that have been around for a while, tend to be more reliable and you can trust those brokers. Okay, so you want to also check how long they've been in the market. Number three, you want to look at testimonials to see that, okay, are people, complaining of their platform? Do you have bad reviews about the brokers? Just like when I did the review on the QS broker thing and Magic Trader Signal, just like when I did the review, right? You see that I went and I searched for reviews. So you want to search for those reviews. If you don't search for those reviews, you may get scammed. So let's see. Now, the first one I want to talk about is IC Markets, okay? IC Markets. Now, this is IC Markets. As you can see, if you want to open your account, they allow you to start with a demo account. So you can start with a demo account and, you can then upgrade your account later when you are ready to start trading on a live account. So again, if you are new to Forex, a demo account means you have money in your account that you can use to practice. It's a simulation of the real thing. It's a simulation of the real thing. That's what a demo account is. Now, another thing I like about IC Market is you have access to trading terminals. As you can see, Meta 4, Meta 5, C Trader. You have access to these trading terminals, and I use IC Markets. Okay, let me even show you. Let me show you. So you see, So you see, I use IC Markets. So you have access to MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and CTrader. Personally, I prefer MetaTrader 5. That's what I use. So again, commodities, you can trade stocks, you can trade Forex, you can trade cryptocurrency, and so on and so forth. Okay. Again, the range of the market, you want to look at this as well. What is available on that particular, broker platform. You want to see what is available. So this is the range of the market. You want to compare, if you decide to use another one, make sure you compare. What do they have for you, right? Good. So let's see. If you go here, regulation, can you see? So now look at the regulation, and you're going to see that the company is regulated. Financial Services Authority. You see, complies with the FSA regulatory requirements and has in place internal risk management controls to ensure that sufficiently capitalized support its operations. So they are properly regulated, and you can verify. Do you understand? You can verify, please. You can verify all these things so that you are not just blindly following what is written on the website. Okay, so this IC market, they are heavily regulated, and they've been around for quite a good number of years. Okay, again, I've always shown how you can check how long a website has been in existence. You can always check this thing. Okay, so for IC markets, I'm going to leave a link in the description where you can register for IC market. If you're just starting out, you can also comment in the chat that you are just starting out, you want to start with a demo account. I can show you how to open a demo account and whatnot, or I can even just show you now. So if you go to click on start trading, right, and you see open live accounts, or you can just try a free demo. So if you click try a free demo, you can start to play with IC markets. IC markets here. You can start to play with IC markets. And once you're done, you'll have access to a demo account where you can start to, really trade on a demo account and whatnot. Now, aside this, another broker that I like is FXTM. Okay, so FXTM is another one I like, and again, don't take my word for it. Okay, please do your research before you choose any of these brokers. Okay, so if you look at FXTM, you would see the same thing. They are regulated. They have presence in all these places, licensed and regulated across multiple jurisdictions, free education and personal support, in lot. So again, these are the things they accept. These are how you can pay and how you can catch. Again, another thing you want to look at when you're choosing a broker, the ease of depositing and withdrawing your money. So is it easy to deposit and withdraw your funds? You need to consider that as well. Okay, so this is another good one for Forex trading, and I told you I was going to show you 3, right? So there is this is it. So fbs.com, best trading broker. This is also a good one, and I think they are based in the Philippines, but I'm not sure. But again, this is a good one that you can go with as well. So FBS, you can see low spreads, safe trades. Again, I know, well, if you're watching and you don't know what we mean by spread, I mean the spread is how the broker makes money. So it's the difference between your ask price and your bid price. Okay, so that's the spread. Maybe I would do like an introductory video on Forex so that you'll understand some of these things. So again, they promise you low spreads. You need to check all those things we talked about. How you can deposit, how you can withdraw, okay, all those things. So this is another credible one that I've seen a lot of traders using, and like I said, always do your research, okay? And when you're doing Forex, always ensure that you are only trading, you are only investing what you can afford to lose, okay? So having said that, these are the 3 Forex brokers that right now I can say, yes, these ones are credible, these ones are reliable. If you use any other broker, feel free to comment, feel free to drop a comment. And I mean, I can always check it out. I can see, I can talk about the pros and cons and things like that. But as usual, I remain my own self innocent. Thank you for watching. If you have not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button now and turn on your notification so when I drop the next Forex video, you won't miss it. Okay, see you guys. Bye.